So this is the unboxing of AT2020 condenser microphone. I already opened this. I just want to do a very informative review on the microphone. So that's why I wanted to start with the unboxing, okay? And I want to show you what you get when you buy it. So first things first, you'll see this. You're gonna ask, is it Macintosh and Windows compatible? And the answer is yes, it is. It says it right over here. It says Windows and Mac compatible. And how I know? Because I have both and it works with both. Okay. Is it Windows 8 compatible? Yes. Is it Vista? Yes. Is it any is Mac universal? Okay. Just need a USB 3.0, 2.0, doesn't matter, USB. So you open it, you'll get 4 pieces. Okay. You'll get your mic. Okay. You'll get this. This is the important. This is the granddaddy. This is your donkey punch. This is your donkey punch. Okay. And then you'll get the tripod. This is important too. The next scene, the next cut will demonstrate how this is so useful. Okay, you'll get this. Make sure you have all the pieces. Okay, make sure you have this, the cock ring. Okay, make sure you have the adjuster and the squid looking three tripod. Okay. The other thing you'll get is a carrying case, a pouch, or you need this if you want to put it when it's unused. Just put it in there and just put it on top of your desk, and that's it. Or you could just keep it in the box, but you just so keep it organized with the pouch. Leather. This is leather. Okay. The most important piece will be the USB cord. Yours will be black. I just got a different one. This is I'm just using this one. Okay, because mine I lost the black one, but this one's white, but yours will be black. Okay. I don't know what this jack is called, input is called, but this is it says USB. So if you know what this input is, big ass USB jack, and this one connects to your computer, which is a USB, and this one connects to the bottom over here. Okay. Okay, you stick it in. Okay. Will it fit? Yes, it will. Okay. That's the 4 pieces you get. With the mic, you get the black cable, you get the pouch, and you get the tripod. Okay, and that's the unboxing. Next will be the desktop and how it's useful when you are playing games or podcasting. Thank you. Next. So yeah, this thing does come with the USB one. Make sure you get the USB, not the $60 AT2020, which is not USB whatsoever. That's the XLR one, and doesn't come with USB compatible shit stuff and other stuff, accessory like the tripod. This tripod. This is awesome if you want to use your computer and at the same time and chat, because you could adjust this. It's going to be one-handed, so you could adjust it like here, and here, and here, and here, and like this. So this is just over here is your mouth, and then you're playing a game like this, and you could have it, you could just have it like this, and it'll still pick up the sound. But if you really want to put your face in it, you could put it like this and play, you know, you're just letting your keyboard here, and the mic is here, and your mouse is here. Then you could play. You need to get a headset. If you, like me, don't want to wear a headset and mess up your hair all the time, and you prefer earphones, you prefer gaming on earbuds, this is perfect. But don't game on speakers, because that will pick up the sound. This thing will definitely pick up the sound. It'll pick up anything in the room. So yes, the tripod is a must feature. I mean, if you want a mic stand, it will cost you another $30. But then it's too big and messy. Just use this desktop tripod. This thing could adjust like this, but then this is too bulky. This thing's kind of heavy and metalish, so it'll just put it all the way down. It's not sturdy enough to maintain it. Then boom, you turn on. When it's plugged in, the blue light will be over here, and then it clearly says back. It's cardioid condenser microphone, AT2020 USB. Make sure you get the USB one, the $130 or $150 one. And yes, I think you won't not need a tripod, additional tripod. You could just put it like this. And if you want to game while you want to do commentary, that's about it. If you're like a commentator, you don't need a tripod for this. Just desktop is perfect. It's neat. It's perfect. It's clean. Simple. This thing is all metal. Sturdy. It feels very solid. And definitely portable with the pouch. The leather pouch is it's like a leather. Yes, I whiffed it. It smells like leather, like wallet leather. And you put all the stuff here, carry it. Can't go wrong. So, like, once again, I know like the Audio-Technica will beat out the Zalman. Of course, it's a $10 microphone jack mic versus a USB dedicated microphone, which is around 100 something ish. I'm recording both sounds at the same time, and I'm going to alter the sound quality from time to time. This one's recording on this computer is recording on this microphone is set up to the AT2020, Audio-Technica 2020. So just keep that in mind. Right now you're hearing the AT2020. Let's go brief history of my microphone. First, I was like you. I was deciding to get a microphone, and I did the YouTube comparison video. I watched tons of millions of videos, comparison videos. So it boils down to It boils down to, you're probably gonna narrow it down to Yeti Snowball, AT2020, and Yeti and Blue Yeti, right? And Blue Snowball and Blue Yeti and AT2020. I was exactly the same like you. So I decided to get the AT2020, and that was like 2011. No, I got off recording stuff, and then I gave it to my nephew. Then I started, I wanted to record again. Then I got the Blue Yeti. This is where I figured out the AT2020 is more superior than the Blue Yeti, because I had both of them. And trust me, Yeti is not better than the AT2020. You might be like, Yeti is better, but like, no, it's not. The sound quality, Yeti versus AT2020, the AT2020 is much more superior in terms of clarity. The Yeti still picks up the hushing noise, the background zap noise, and I thought the Blue Yeti was better than the AT2020 because I thought it had the on or off button, but neither of this does have it. So either you plug it on and make it turn on every time you turn on your computer, or you unplug it with the USB. Both is powered by USB, by the way. So let's go to like the pricing. The Blue Yeti, if you were monitoring it, I say maybe at holidays will go down to $89.99 brand new. And this was at 2009, so the price range will fluctuate to $90 through $100. The Pro will probably gonna stand at $130 to $150. The Blue Yeti Pro is just the same thing as the Blue Yeti, except it just has a ULR connection. That's it. There's no difference. So if you're not into USR, just get the Blue Yeti. There's no need to spend money on the Pro if you don't need it, the USR. So the AT2020 microphone came out in 2010. Currently it's 2014. It's almost ending one more. It's 2015. So it's December 2014. The price doesn't fluctuate as the Yeti. The lowest I seen was 110, and the highest I saw was 150. So there's a reason why I think it doesn't fluctuate. The pricing, because it's a superior mic. I mean, if you got more than 200 something to spend, just get like the professional. Like, there's so much other options, but if your price range is around $100 to $150, get the AT2020 if you're looking for a USB powered microphone. So let's go back to what I was saying. So you're probably watching YouTube videos right now, searching for a great podcasting or singing mic or music mic. You narrow it down to the Yeti. I show you the price range of Yeti, and the AT2020 and the Blue mic Snowball, which is always $50. So alright, you're probably gonna be like, oh, so pretty, you're gonna get the pink, whatever. But this is out of the three, the Blue Snowball is the worst. The second best is the Yeti, and the best is the AT2020. Coming from experience that had both Yeti and the AT2020, and I went back to AT2020 Technica. AT2020 is your best bet. I mean, you're not gonna like it. If you don't like the AT2020, then you need to you need to cough up more money and get some other mic. Maybe try the Podcaster by Rogue. Maybe get this. It's gonna be like, like $350. If you wanna see how this thing sounds, there's always a YouTube video that will show you the demo of this. Anyway, this is videos about AT2020 Tenica and the Blue Yeti and the Zalman and or cheap microphone comparison. So the Zalman is $10. It's powered by microphone jack, and this one has a lot of zapping sound, as you could hear right now. I'm searching for it. Wait up, it's this one right here. So it's like $10, $9. So this one has a lot of zapping sound, as you could hear. So back to the AT2020, right now it's so much superior. You could hear less zapping sound, that electric sound in the background, and the more human voice, or the voice itself. So first thing you should do is, when you plug in your AT2020, go to control panel, even in Windows 8, go there, search sound, go to manage auto device, then go to recordings, and then you'll see your microphone. This one's AT2020 USB, and then go double click that, and then you go to level. The default will be probably sound will be at 5. You should mess around with it. I think 70 is okay. If you want to hear less zapping sound, you should bring it down a little bit. But then 70 for me, I prefer 70, or I might change it a little bit after I edit this. Maybe I might think differently. So that's the first thing you should do. Adjust the recording level. The Zalman right now is at 89%. And right now it just shows you this one is at 70%. So this is the difference. The difference in price too. I think still 3 years from now, the AT2020 will still stay $110 or 150-ish, and the Blue Yeti will go down in price 5 years from now, probably to maybe $75 to 100, just because. That's all I gotta say. And I mean, if you don't want to take my word for it, just YouTube research it more. I'm pretty sure you're gonna narrow it down to Blue Yeti or the AT2020. Since I had both, get the AT2020. It's much more clear, much more vibrant, and you could hear more fuller sound. I mean, yeah, I highly recommend it. So thanks for watching. Alright, before I start doing Lost Stars, this is how I did it. Okay, this computer is connected to the USB and is recording the AT2020. And then this computer is going to be recording the Zalman. So this one is there. This one's hooked up to there. And this one is hooked up to there. And at the same time, I'm going to 6 inches away from the mic like this and start recording. this demo is not to demonstrate like the Zalman's, of course, is going to lose to the USB dedicated mic. It's just to demonstrate how good of a difference the AT2020 is compared to a $10 microphone jack microphone. Okay, it's going to be 6 inches away and 2 separate audio files, and it's going to record like that. So here it goes. And 2 separate audio files, and it's going to record like that. So here it goes. I'm going to be quiet too, so I'm not going to, this is a troll singing, so don't expect like, it's so troll, dude. Okay, wait up. So it's recording. Just a boy caught up in dreams and fantasies. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it. I gotta see. I'm pretty sure the Audio Technica will pick up the low, even the swipe, even the squeaky voice. It'll pick it up like very, very, very well. Trust me. I know. I went to AT2020 and the Yeti, and I went back to AT20 just because I know it's the best mic.